Hey everyone, this is Jay from Microscope, and we're here today to talk about popular music and find out what makes them so damn catchy. So, in every single video, we talk about 7 key points. That is melody, harmony, lyrics, form, tempo, dynamics, and production. Those are the 7. Those are all you have to remember. There's a skip ahead, so if you want to skip right to a certain section, you can do that as well by just clicking on the skip ahead in the skip section. So, today, the song that we're talking about is Gucci Gang. Now, God, so this song, alright, well, where do I even start? Alright, so I guess first let's get started on background information. So, Gucci Gang is written by Lil Pump. I'm sorry, I'm trying, maybe I'm just old, or old school. I'm trying to keep up with all these Lil Pump, Lil Yachty, little Shoe, little Czechoslovakian, but whatever, Lil Pump. Apparently the song Gucci Gang was produced by Big Head and Niels, and Big Head apparently has worked with Famous Dex, Lil Tracy, Lil Yachty. So far, Gucci Gang is Lil Pump's highest charting song so far. And it's interesting because this song itself is 2 minutes and 4 seconds, which most popular music and most songs that you hear on the radio are about 3 minutes to 4 minutes long. So this being really short is something else that's very, very interesting that we're gonna look into. But let's get started. All right, so first, melody. There is none. Again, it's just the instruments in the background doing the melody. Meanwhile, you have Lil Pump kind of focusing on that repetitive action of Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang. You hear it enough times, it's gonna get stuck in your head and you're gonna wanna sing it over and over and over again, which is what I think a lot of popular music nowadays just do. They just repeat things over and over again until it gets stuck in your head and you accept the fact that you love the song. Second, harmony. There is no harmony. What we can consider harmony may simply be just like the background hype vocals, where when he's saying Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, then the other person comes at the same time and going Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, yeah! That's all that happens. There's just a hype man in the back just hyping up the track and giving it more energy by just saying random things and throwing in random noises. So the lyrics of Gucci Gang, pretty self-explanatory. Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang. Spend 10 racks on a new chain, aka that's cash. My bitch love do cocaine. Okay. I fuck a bitch, forgot her name. Then we get to kind of like the first verse, the first and only verse. My lean costs more than your rent. Ooh, your mama still live in a tent. Yeah. I mean, that was good. That was like, your mama still live in a tent. Yeah. None of this shit be new to me. Fucking my teacher call it tutory. They kicked me out the plane of a Percocet. Now Lil Pump fly a private jet. Alright, so he's dropping knowledge right now. So much knowledge. Like, so much knowledge. This song right now is like number 4 on the Billboard charts. My question is, why are we listening to this? What's going on? This doesn't make a shit of sense. I'm so confused. I am so confused. There are no words. I have no words. I don't even know what to say. But we're gonna keep going anyway, just for the sake of an educational video or educational analysis of this song itself. Whatever, no judgment. Listen, music, if it makes you feel good, it makes you feel a certain way, it's working. So the song works for a lot of people. For me, it doesn't. But moving on, the form of this song. The form literally is chorus, verse, chorus. That's it. Usually a song would probably have another verse or bridge and then a chorus coming in. But this song is really short, which I guess is still sort of effective because the title of the song and the idea Gucci Gang is being repeated so many times. Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang. It's at the very beginning of the chorus. Then there's a little brick of knowledge. And at the very end, it's there as well, where he says Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang, Gucci Gang. Then it starts all over again and repeats the chorus. So he says the chorus pretty much 4 times. There's one verse and the chorus is said 4 times. Tell me if you forget the chorus after hearing it that many times. You won't, because it's happening 4 times. Moving on to tempo. Tempo again is that like laid back trap feel where it's just nothing crazy going on. It's just like really chill the entire time because he's trying to be like, oh, I'm cool, like this is my Gucci gang, whatever. Dynamically, I can't really speak for lyrics because the lyrics don't really do anything dynamically, but in the I guess I'll combine dynamics and production, because in the dynamics and production of the song, you'll hear during the chorus, you'll hear a lot more instruments in the back and a little more twinkles in the back going around, keeping the beat, kind of lifting the beat up and holding it up. But then during the verse, a lot of that drops out and it's just the bare minimum, so you're listening more to the lyrics. Something that I noticed that also happened in the track Rockstar by Post Malone and 21 Savage was they do a lot of drops. So the music and the beat's going and it always drops out while the rapper says something. And I guess it gives it more impact and it keeps the song interesting and it keeps it going and growing. So even though I may not be all for some of these songs, they still use a lot of techniques to keep your attention and keep you interested and keep you going. With that said, on the music microscope scale, I'll have to give this song a big old I'll have to give this song a big old D. D, there we go. Because it's dumb. So dumb. Dumb. But it is at the top of the charts, which means a lot of people love it. So maybe I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong. Leave a comment and tell me if you love this track and why you love this track. If not, then shut up. Then I'm right. Then this track sucks. I hate it. Hate it so much. But without further ado, I made my own track. So check it out.
Yeah. Fendi. Fendi. I don't ride in Bentleys, but I gotta spend pretty pennies. Tryna buy a brand new MIDI. Stuck in New York City, living in a place with biddies. Fendi. I don't ride in Bentleys, but I gotta spend pretty pennies. Tryna buy a brand new MIDI. Stuck in New York City, living in a place with biddies. Fendi. I gotta buy a brand new place. Why they always all in my face? All I really need is space. You can't even keep my pace. Never thought I'd try to write another one. Living in the world, got no sons. They said I should bring another one, but I'm number one and I'm never done. I could write a song in my sleep. Put me in a coma and it's deep. Keep the beat hot off streets. That's why they don't see me. I'm like the sound of the underground. Cost way more than 6 pounds. You like this, come get crowned. I'm just kidding, man, sit down. Fendi. I don't ride in Bentleys, but I gotta spend pretty pennies. Tryna buy a brand new MIDI. Stuck in New York City, living in a place with biddies. Fendi. I don't ride in Bentleys, but I gotta spend pretty pennies. Tryna buy a brand new MIDI. Stuck in New York City, living in a place with biddies. Fendi.